a fold over crimp. Now the fold over crimp would go on to ball chain or leather thong, and depending on how thick your ball chain or your leather thong is, you would have different sizes of fold over crimp. So this one is a 1mm one, and this one is 0.8 of a millimeter. So for the ball chain I'm going to use the 0.8 of a millimeter, and for the leather thong I'm going to use the 1mm. I've already got one on the other end, so you can see how it looks when it's on there. So to do this, I have the bit with the loop on the end facing outwards. I put my leather just inside there. I take my pliers and gently squeeze it around there so it's even, and I make sure it's all the way in there. So once I'm happy with how it is, twist it over, squeeze it a bit tighter, and you can see it's closed up there, and now I'm going to squeeze it that way. So you can see that's quite firmly on there. Now I need to be able to put either a lobster claw or a toggle set, or a ring bolt onto there, and to do that I need a jump ring, and jump rings are these little guys here, and like I said, they come in a number of different sizes. So to open this up, I hold it with my pliers, and then either using my fingers or another set of pliers, I just twist it so it's slightly open like that. Then I take my crimp, thread it onto there. Now if I want to put a ring bolt on one end, I need to do that at the same time. Otherwise, I'm going to have to undo it and put it in again, and I don't really want to do that because it weakens the jump ring. So instead of using a ring bolt, I'm going to use a lobster claw closure, put that in there, hold this one with my pliers, take my long nose pliers and gently twist it back together. And there you go, I have my closure on. Now obviously at the other end I just put a simple O-ring, open it up first, thread it on, close it carefully, check there's no gap, and I can fasten that together.